everybody. Welcome to Truck Spotting Great Lakes. We are somewhere. We've been stuck here on this road, which is Highway 11. It's supposed to be a 2-lane road, but it's now a 1-lane road. If you can see the how deep the snow is, then that explains a lot. There's an accident in front of us, an accident on the other lane going the other way, and an accident somewhere else. All I know is we've been sitting here now for about 40 minutes. We haven't moved. And yeah, it's not the greatest weather. I'm supposed to be at my delivery tomorrow. Look at this. Look how bad. Like, that's the cemetery, I do believe. Can't tell. There's a lot of snow. There's a lot of snow here. And this is all the snow that's coming off the Great Lakes. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it, but there is, I don't know, maybe you can. Can you see that little black SUV or gray SUV over there? He's trying as hard as to get out. Here, I'll show you a little bit better here. How's this? Let's take this thing right off the window. The cord is not that big. See that SUV sitting right there? He's been trying and trying and trying. Like, look at the trees over here and the houses. Like, that's kind of crazy, isn't it? It's roughly, I'm going to say 2 feet snow drifts beside us. That right there is a cement barrier, so that's why it looks so high. But yeah, we're probably about, I'm going to say 50 kilometers north of Barrie, Ontario. So, I just wanted to show you that. Anyways, hope your day is better than my day. Be safe. Bye for now. This guy here that was coming up is being pulled by a wrecker. It was one of the ones that caused an accident going the other way. He's coming. Slowly, because the other lane is even worse shape than this lane. traffic jam due to a couple accidents up here for the last 4 hours. It looks like we are moving, hoping, and we stay moving is what I'm hoping for, but, well, now it looks like people are stopping again. Well, that kind of sucked. We are slowly getting there.
Open now or what?
No, it just looks like we just moved a little bit farther up and now we're going to stop again. There's definitely a lot of snow here. Look at all that snow. Yeah, definitely got some snow here. But we're getting closer and closer to the accident, the tow trucks and all that stuff on the other side. So, we drove for 2 minutes. Woohoo! 2 minutes! And back off duty again. Well, I think in the last 4 hours, I think I've moved a half a mile. Yeah, about a half a mile in the last 4 hours. Sorry, not 4 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours. My mistake, 5 hours now. I got 6 hours and 49 minutes left of my 16, sorry. And the clouds are starting to roll in again, these dark clouds again, and that's snow clouds again. Like this place needs more snow. There's probably about 2.5 feet of snow out there. Just look at the building over there, and there's a set of skids, blue skids. Look how deep the snow is on top of all those buildings. Yeah, crazy, isn't it? Anyways, hope you guys are having a better day than me. I am on Highway 11 past Barrie, Ontario, and this is the last day of November, and I'm supposed to be another 1,000 miles for tomorrow. Clearly that's not going to happen. I'm hoping to get to the truck stop and get more fuel for the truck, more go-go juice for the truck.